Hello everybody, this is the Bodyversum. This is the GoPole Scenelapse 360 time-lapse device. Scenelapse is a rotating time-lapse device that is used to capture panorama photos and video. This is it. Here is the timer where you can set it, and the bolt. You can hear it clicking. It's like the same as a kitchen clock. Look, his little buddy. This is his little buddy, you know? You can do it 5 minutes, 15 minutes for quarter turn, or 60 minutes for a full turn. Just glue it on the top of it and it's done. So there is a hole on the bottom. You can glue there a nut and you have the same objects. I created this in 10 seconds maybe, you know. I only just duct taped it up on the top of the timer and it's fully functional. It's the cheapest version. It's very cheapo, you know. Here is the original. Yeah, it's looking nice, but is it worth the 5-time price or 3-time if you want to buy a high-end kitchen timer? The decision is yours. I think I will use both of them.